Hey guys, so I just want to show a failed Kerdi pan real quick. Schluter Systems Kerdi pan, okay? We got this piece that goes on the pan here. This is the pan. And then you're supposed to, each consecutive piece is supposed to overlap starting from the bottom up. So this should be here, and then there should be a piece that goes in this corner like this. And then the wall piece should come over the piece that goes in the corner to make a waterproof barrier. But you can see right here, we have this place where this Kerdi is going down on the side of the pan, and the pan looks like it just got butted up to it, and they didn't put a corner piece here of the membrane, and that is incorrect. And even if there was a piece of membrane here, it would need to go on top of this piece, but under this piece in order to be done correctly. So whoever installed this didn't do it correctly. That may be the cause of the problems in here. I think there's more than just that, but that's certainly one of them. And this is not a correct install. If they tried to make some kind of a claim or anything, and Kerdi sent out a representative and they saw this, your warranty's void right there. Okay?